Hello and welcome to the tutorial on addition. In this tutorial we will learn how to add 4-digit numbers and tens, and this time we're going to do them in the vertical format. So let's begin with our first example. Let's start with a nice easy one. Okay, so we've got 2,675 plus 20. Now, I'm sure some of you have already shouted the answer out, but let's work through this slowly. Let's label the columns. We've got units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And let's begin the addition. Where do we start? We always start on the right-hand side. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 2 is, the tens, 7 plus 2 is 9. And because we've got nothing here, the digits at the top remain the same. The answer is 2,695. Nice and simple. Okay, let's look at our second example. Okay, we've got 6,742 plus 70. Let's label the columns, and again we keep saying this, you don't have to. We're doing this just to illustrate what we're doing. And now let's begin the addition. The units first. 2 plus 0 is 2. The tens. 4 plus 7 is, you should know this, it's 11. And you also know how to write this down. There's our 11. The 1 over here is now part of the hundreds. So we're adding that to the 7. There are no hundreds here. 7 plus 0 plus 1 is 8. And lastly, we've got the thousands. Because we're adding nothing, it remains 6. So we did a bit of carrying there, and the answer was 6,812. Okay. So now, again, imagine you're in a test scenario. You're doing a test in class or at home, and you've got this question. 7,917 plus 90. And the question says you have to show your workings, and you have to do this in the vertical format. So the first step is to write it out in nice, neat columns. Take your time over this. It's critical you get this right. Nice, neat columns. It makes the addition much, much simpler. Okay, we are ready to go ahead and do the addition. So let's start with the column on the right-hand side. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. Now we've got the tens. 1 plus 9. Well, 1 plus 9 is 10. So we put 1 here and 0 here. Now we've got the hundreds. We've got 9 here, adding nothing, but we have got 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. Put 1 here and 0 here. And lastly, we've got the thousands column. We've got 7 plus 0, but we have got 1 here. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 7,917 plus 90 is 8,000. Let's put a comma. And 7. That's how you say this. 8,007. It's nice and simple. It's nothing complicated about this. And that is addition of 4-digit numbers and tens using the vertical format.